My experience at Northeastern has been great. I felt like the practical work experience through the co-op was very integral to my learning experience here in the US. And I'm just really happy that I made the most out of the 1 year that I had here at Northeastern.
So for me, the co-op program was the deciding factor in joining Northeastern. I completed my co-op in a law firm in New York, Tata Krinsky and Drogan. It was a dream co-op, Midtown Manhattan, law firms working with partners. So I was seated with the international division, so I got to put in a lot of input as well as learned a lot from the experience. Working diligently with deadlines, with high pressure clients and assignments. So all in all, it was a really great experience and extremely rewarding.
I completed my co-op at LLM Incorporated, which was here in Boston. It was an incredible positive experience with this poverty organization that does work for community action agencies all over the United States. I had practical client experience along with research opportunities that were incredibly fulfilling and interesting and very challenging at times as well.
I always wanted to work at a nonprofit with international focus, and Oxfam America Fergie Fellowship there was exactly what I wanted. I learned skills, I developed skills that I could not have within the walls of a classroom.
I completed my co-op in a company, the name is LLM Inc. For me, it was incredible this experience because I had a good experience in government, and for me was the opportunity to change into the corporate world.
The LLM Professional Development Program was very helpful. They guided us through the whole co-op application process, from the writing of our resumes, cover letters, and preparing us for our interviews as well. We also had one-on-one counseling sessions with our co-op advisor.
I felt like the staff was incredibly supportive and really, really passionate about making sure that everybody had a wonderful opportunity in their co-op.
I think from day one, the whole team has been very hands-on with preparing not just me, every student to be ready for an internship in the US, and most of us are not from the country, in terms of seminars, workshops, one-on-one meetings to really help us build on our strengths, on our skill set. They've really laid the groundwork and built the foundation to help us get acclimated, you can say, to the US legal world. So, and I landed my dream co-op because of it. So I'm really glad.
After finish my co-op, I get proposal of the company, and I am working with them 3 days a week because I come here to the university the other 2 days. So I am in touch all the time with them. So I want to be in the house of a company or working in business development.
My experience with my supervisors was fantastic. I actually had two, so it was particularly fulfilling because I had two perspectives on my work and on the different projects that we were going on. So particularly with engaging with clients, I got to see two very different ways of dealing with people, along with research methods. I had a really positive relationship with both of them, and I am following up with them and see them regularly, along with been able to have them as a reference for future employment, which was a wonderful thing from both of them. My postgraduate goals are to work in international human rights, and particularly focused on women's economic development and women's rights in the international arena.
So my co-op really set the pace for what I want to do in the future. Whether it's working at a nonprofit or practicing corporate law, I feel like the skills that I learned during co-op can be applied across the board and puts me in a really good position for my postgraduate job search.
My time in Northeastern really helped me cement my interest in corporate and intellectual property. While I was at Tata Krinsky working, I got to work a lot with the IP partner there, and I helped her a lot in her assignments, not just legal, but She was also co-authoring a book on fashion law. So it really got me interested in that subject. It really merges two of my interests beautifully. So I think I look forward to exploring that area some more, and I'm definitely going to look for something in fashion law. Maybe a few years down the line, I'd be a general counsel at a fashion house. Who knows?